Connected vehicles are coming, 10, 20 years. We're definitely going to have more vehicles on the road that are communicating to each other and to the infrastructure. And what that brings really at the end of the day is this challenge with all of this additional data that's coming. And so we need to think about what it means to invest in plumbing our roadways to take care of all of that increased data that's going to be coming from these vehicles. And when we look at traffic management tomorrow, we really do believe that more intersections are going to be connected to not only a central location but also to each other, so that intersections can communicate down the line to others. Say, for example, to let another intersection know a large platoon is coming of vehicles. We're going to talk about the cloud today a little bit, really looking at how to leverage cloud-based software and technology to improve efficiencies across multiple departments within an agency. We're seeing that already in a number of agencies. And that just revolves around all the data that's available, processing it and sharing it, and making sure that you're optimizing the way you operate and maintain your roadways.
What do we do at Cisco when it comes to transportation and traffic management? I think Adam said we have to think about the plumbing of our infrastructure, and we know that we are sort of the plumbers of the network, right? The routing and switching that gets the data packets to the right place at the right time. But in and around that, we've gotten really good at looking and understanding those data packets, and we can do much more than just transfer and secure the data. And so we are really enabling those smart and intelligent signal management and operations, and we're doing it at the network edge, and we're going to share a little bit more about that today. Why is this so important? We view the edge as really the first step to real-time data processing. And so the edge really is the companion to the cloud when we think about traffic management applications. We know that with sensors, including but not limited to connected vehicles, that we're going to be acquiring millions of messages per second, right? These are streams of data. They are not sort of points of data that we're more used to collecting in our transportation applications. And so when we have that many million messages, we know that we could fill up cloud or potentially destroy DOT budgets very quickly, right, by transmitting all that data back to a cloud application. So what we want to do at the edge, and what we do for our transportation customers, is we begin to filter those data immediately when it's collected. And that means to generate baseline sampling, to make sure that you're getting all the data, whether it's a sample, even not every single data point, and looking at immediately what messages are meaningful, and then how do we begin to mix those meaningful messages with other sensor data, potentially even compare it to our traffic signal controllers so that we can provide an immediate action.